Welcome to the Science of Large Language Models podcast, where we explore the latest research and developments in the world of natural language processing. In today's episode, we'll be discussing a fascinating research paper that challenges the prevailing belief that high-quality curated data is necessary for producing powerful large language models. Instead, the researchers demonstrate that properly filtered and deduplicated web data can lead to models that outperform or match the performance of those trained on curated corpora. The research paper we're discussing today focuses on the creation of a new pre-training dataset called refined web. This dataset is derived from Common Crawl, a massive web archive containing billions of web pages. The researchers applied extensive filtering and stringent deduplication techniques to obtain a high-quality web-only dataset consisting of approximately 5 trillion tokens. To ensure the quality of the data, the researchers used tools like Trafalatura for text extraction, document and line-level rules, and Not Safe for Work, NSFW, URL block lists for filtering. For deduplication, they combined exact substring matching and min-hash techniques, which resulted in around 50% of the original data being removed. The researchers then trained large language models with 1.3 billion and 7.5 billion parameters on the refined web dataset. They compared these models with other models trained on curated corpora such as the Pile and even GPT-3. To evaluate the models, they used a zero-shot performance metric called main-ag, which measures the model's ability to generalize to new tasks without any fine-tuning. The results of this research are quite surprising. Models trained on refined web alone significantly outperformed models trained on curated corpora, such as the Pile, and matched the performance of GPT-3 models when tested within their evaluation setup. This finding challenges the current belief that curated high-quality data is necessary for producing performant large language models, and suggests that properly filtered and deduplicated web data can be a viable alternative for training powerful models. However, it's important to note that this research doesn't mean that curated data is no longer valuable. Instead, it highlights the potential of web data when properly processed and emphasizes the need for more efficient filtering and deduplication techniques to improve the quality of web data for training large language models. In conclusion, the research paper we discussed today demonstrates that properly filtered and deduplicated web data can lead to powerful large language models that outperform or match the performance of models trained on curated corpora. This finding challenges the prevailing belief about the necessity of high-quality curated data and opens up new possibilities for training powerful models using web data alone. Thank you for joining us on the Science of Large Language Models podcast. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes where we continue to explore the latest research and developments in the world of natural language processing.